Singer Nick Jonas, who turned 29 on September 16, received the best birthday surprise from his wife Priyanka Chopra. The actress especially flew down from London to US for Nick's birthday. Nick took to his Instagram account and penned a beautiful note for his wife Priyanka. Sharing a cute picture, Nick thanked Priyanka for throwing him the surprise party. He wrote, "She surprised me for my birthday. She is the best. 29. Thanks for all the love, everyone." In the picture, Nick is seen planting a kiss on Priyanka's cheek. Priyanka too shared the same picture to wish Nick on his birthday. Along with the picture, Priyanka wrote, "Love of my life, here's wishing the kindest, most compassionate, loving person I know a very happy birthday. Thank you for being you." Priyanka recently shared a glimpse of her getaway with hubby Nick. In the picture, Priyanka is seen sporting a bikini while Nick can be seen enjoying his favorite snack, and the snack is none other than Priyanka herself. Cute, isn't it? In the picture, Nick can be seen holding a fork and knife, relishing his snack. Priyanka is currently busy with Citadel, helmed by Avengers makers Joy and Anthony Russo. Citadel is a spy thriller series co-starring Richard Madden, slated for OTT release. On the Bollywood front, Priyanka will next be seen in Farhan Akhtar's directorial Jile Zara. The film also stars Katrina Kaif and Alia Bhatt in lead roles. Priyanka shared the motion poster on her Instagram handle. She wrote, "Let's rewind to me music about wanting to do another Hindi movie ASAP on an unusually rainy night in Mumbai in November 2019. But it had to be the right one, different, cool, never been done before, I thought." The idea grew into a movie helmed by an all-female cast. There are not enough Hindi movies that are female multi-starrers. This led to an impulsive phone call to my two real friends about this idea that involved three on-screen girlfriends, a celebration of friendship, we called it. Katrina, Alia and I enthusiastically met in February 2020, just before the world shut down, to discuss who we could trust to bring this vision to life for us, and our choice was unanimous: Farhan and Ritesh, Zoya and Reema. We had all worked with Excel Movies and Tiger Baby Films individually, so this seemed perfect. It just so happened that Farhan was working on a female road trip movie at the same time. Talk about all the stars aligning, and here we are today, Jile Zara. It only took 3 years to align all our schedules, but we stuck together and got it done. This one is to sisterhood, to friendship, and to breaking the mold. Can't wait to get on the road with Alu and Catty. My heart is smiling. See you at the movies. The film is produced by Excel Entertainment and Tiger Baby. The film will be based on the lines of Farhan's road trip films Dil Chahta Hai and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, extending the genre to girls this time. Jile Zara is written by Zoya Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar and Reema Kagati, produced by Reema Kagati, Zoya Akhtar, Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar. It will be released in 2023.